Ready to unlock the power of seamless API management and integration with Amazon API Gateway? Let's dive in. First, navigate to the AWS Management Console and search for API Gateway. Click on the service to access the API Gateway dashboard. From the dashboard, click the Create API button. You will be presented with different API types. For this tutorial, we'll select the HTTP API, which is a cost-effective option for simple HTTP-based APIs. Name your API something descriptive like MyFirstAPI and click Create. You now have a basic API Gateway instance ready to be configured. Next, define a route. This is where you specify the HTTP method, like GET or POST, and the path for your API endpoint. For example, create a GET method with path, hello. Now, integrate your route with a backend. This could be an AWS Lambda function, an HTTP endpoint, or another AWS service. We'll use a Lambda function, so select your Lambda function from the list and click Create. API Gateway automatically creates a stage called $default. A stage is a snapshot of your API. It allows you to deploy your API and expose it for users to consume. Copy the Invoke URL. This is the public endpoint for your API. You can use it to test your API. Finally, secure your API by configuring authentication and authorization. API Gateway supports various methods, including API keys, IAM roles, and Cognito user pools. And there you have it, you've successfully created, deployed, and secured a basic API using Amazon API Gateway. Check out the links in the description for more in-depth tutorials and documentation.